هو الذي يصبركم في الأرحام كيف يشاء لا إله إلا هو العزيز الحكيم.
It is He who fashions you in the wombs as He wills. There is no God but He, the Almighty, the All-Wise.
هو الذي أنزل عليك الكتاب منه آيات محكمات هن أم الكتاب وأخر متشابهات فأما الذين في قلوبهم زيغ فيتبعون ما تشابه منه ابتغاء الفتنة وابتغاء تأويله وما يعلم تأويله إلا الله والراسخون في العلم يقولون آمنا به كل من عند ربنا وما يذكر إلا أولو الألباب.
He it is who has revealed the book to you. Among them there are absolutely clear and lucid verses, and these are the core of the book. Others are ambiguous. Those in whose hearts there is a perversity go about the part that is ambiguous, seeking mischief and seeking to arrive at its meaning arbitrarily, although none knows their true meaning but Allah. But those firmly rooted in knowledge say, "We believe in it. It is all from our Lord alone. No one derives true admonition from anything except the people of understanding."
ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب.
They pray to Allah, "Our Lord, do not let our hearts swerve towards the crookedness after you have guided us to the right way, and bestow upon us your mercy, for you are the munificent giver."
ربنا إنك جامع الناس ليوم لا ريب فيه إن الله لا يخلف الميعاد.
Our Lord, one day you will surely gather all mankind together, a day about the coming of which there is no doubt. Surely Allah never goes against His promise.
إن الذين كفروا لن تغني عنهم أموالهم ولا أولادهم من الله شيئا وأولئك هم وقود النار.
As for the unbelievers, neither their wealth nor their offspring will avail them in the least against Allah. They shall be the fuel of the fire.